John Joseph Xavier Cihon coming at you from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And today we're going to unbox the Nike and Sacai VaporWaffle. I'm pretty excited to get this opened up. Before we do that, if you haven't yet done so, please slap the like button and subscribe so you can be notified about videos like this in the future. As well, if you enjoyed this content, there's links to leave a tip. Any amount you can contribute is very much appreciated. Also, I would ask, please watch the video to the end and comment to let me know what you think. Both of those seem like small things, but they really do help the channel grow. So with that in mind, let's get to it. So this is the Nike collaboration between Nike and Sacai. I don't know a whole lot about Sacai. It's a Japanese luxury fashion brand founded in 1999. They've done quite a few collaborations with Nike. This is the most recent one. It released in March 2022. So the box is a little bit different. Let me see. You can see Nike in the swoosh, kind of a reflective coating on top of the orange. On this box, we have the partial Nike logo and also partial here too. The shoe is kind of a deconstruction, so maybe they're cutting the logo in half to deconstruct it. But a little bit different box. And this is the pull-out box. I'm familiar with the style box from the Air Jordan 11s. I don't think they do this style anymore. But so this is something that Nike reserves for more premium releases. So open it up, take it all the way out. Here's this paper. It spells something. It probably spells Nike. This is probably an E. By the way, these are the white and sail colorway. Released in March 2022 at a retail of $180. At one point, they were going for as much as $1,000. They have come down quite a bit. There have been quite a few Sacai collaborations that may be driving the price down. So these are $300, $350 right now, depending on the size. If you like these, I would jump on them and get them right away because the price is going to go up. There's been other colorways that released. There was a black, and I believe it was last year there was a blue. There was sort of a tan. This, I think, is the best colorway. And you can see it's a deconstructed running shoe. It's called the VaporWaffle. And I believe it's a combination of a Vapor Max and a Nike Waffle, which are two different running shoes. So you have two tongues. Two sets of laces are in here. You can see we have the sheer lace on top of the regular lace. Two soles. I think this might be a little bit unwieldy to wear, but definitely this is a huge amount of cushioning. It should be super comfortable. And as if the two sets of laces on the shoes aren't enough, they give you this thinner set of laces in the box. We'll put that back in there. And we can see, yes, the paper, here's N and S, so definitely Nike and Sacai is spelled out on the paper. So the thing that I'm struck with about these and why I think this is the best colorway, I'll hold it up. I know the camera can't capture it quite as well as I can see it, but we have this off-white, we have this white, we have these little white overlays here, and this suede is very soft. Some of the softest suede I've ever felt on a Nike sneaker. So you have all of these contrasting colors. They're all different shades of white, off-white, and I just think it looks really classy. I think that this is by far my favorite colorway of the shoe that's ever released. Got a classic gum sole with the waffle tread. And with these crazy details with the two tongues, two sets of laces, two heels, I think the simpler white color works best. It's like if I see a Corvette Stingray or a Ferrari, if it's in a simple color, that's all it needs to be because the beauty is in the car itself. You don't need it to be like a neon lime green to stand out. White or black or red is enough for those cars, and I feel like this shoe is the same way. There's all of these details, all these little luxurious parts about it, and so the simpler colorway is going to look better. So let's take a look inside. On the sole, you can see Nike and Sacai. On the insole, rather, that's the same style as on the paper in the box. Here, the same thing. I feel like I'd be catching this on things when I'm walking around. And see, it looks like there's some off-white paint here too on this sole to sort of give it a contrasting color. And just there's a lot of textures and just different shades, and it just all really works on this shoe. I think some of the other colorways where there's more colors, it doesn't work as well. So you get a good look at them. Front, side, other side, bottom. Really like these shoes, really well done. And if there's something that you like, I definitely recommend you jump on them now. Prices are low. I think just Sacai's done a lot of collaborations. I think this is maybe the best one that they've done so many that the market isn't taking to this one, and the prices have really gone down. They're not going to stay down. People are going to get these, put them in their collections. There's going to be less available, and the price is going to creep back up. So if you like these, jump on these. And also, if you like this video, as always, please slap the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. There's links for a tip. And again, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.